Guys, you're welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to evaluate some integral problems. We have the first one, integral of x to the power of 3 dx. The second, integral of x to the power of 8 dx. The third, integral of 1 divided by x to the power of 4 dx. The fourth, 3x to the power of 4 dx. And the fifth, integral of 7w dw. Now to solve these integral problems, the first one, which are my solution. Now the first one, integral of x to the power of 3 dx. Now when you recall the rules from the previous video, we have integral of x to the power of n dx implies x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So I'm going to apply it here for integral of x to the power of 3 dx. So I'm going to have integral of x to the power of 3 dx is equals to x to the power of 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. So this is going to give me x to the power of, we have our plus c, sorry, plus c. So 3 plus 1 is 4, x to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. So the integral of x to the power of 3 is x to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus c. Now for the second, we have x to the power of 8. Of course, I'm still going to apply the same rule here. So I'm going to have the second x to the power of 8 dx. So this is going to give me x to the power of 8 plus 1 divided by 8 plus 1 plus our constant c, which is going to result into x to the power of 9 divided by 9 plus c. Now for the third problem, we have the integral of 1 divided by x to the power of 4 dx. Now integral 1 divided by x to the power of 4 dx. Now first of all, I have to make this an inverse of x to the power of 4. So this is going to be integral of inverse of x to the power of 4 dx. And again, I can still apply this rule here. Integral of x to the power of n dx is equals to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So I'm going to have here, I'm going to have x minus 4 plus 1 divided by minus 4 plus 1. And of course, this is going to give me x to the power of minus 3 divided by minus 3 plus c. You have your constants here, very important. And again, to end this, I'm going to have the final answers minus 1 divided by x 3, x to the power of 3 plus c. For the fourth question, we have the integral of 3x to the power 4 dx. Integral of 3x to the power 4 dx. Now again, we have to recall from our previous video the second or the third rule, which states that integral of a xn dx is equals to or implies a integral of xn dx, which will result into a xn plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We have plus c. So I'm going to make use of this here. I'm going to apply it to this integral. Alright, so now the integral of 3x to the power of 4 dx. So this is going to be, that's following this rule, I'm going to have 3 integral of x to the power of 4 plus 1. Sorry. X to the power of 4 dx and from here I can have this as 3 in brackets x to the power of 4 plus 1 divided by 4 plus 1 plus c, and this is going to give me 3 divided by 4 3 divided by 5 x to the power of 5 plus c. So this is our final answer for this integral problem, integral of 3x to the power of 4 dx. And then for the last question, we have integral of 7w dw. So we are integrating here with respect to dw. So the fifth question, integral of 7w dw. Of course, we are still going to apply the same rule we applied in question 4. So this is going to be 7 integral of w dw. And from here, we're going to have this as 7 into w plus 1. That's 1 plus 1. Of course, w is the same as w to the power of 1 divided by 1 plus 1. We have our constant c. And then this, we're going to have 7 divided by 2 w squared plus c. Now, this is the final answer for this integral problem, integral of 7w dw, when you are integrating with respect to dw. Now, these are some of the basics of integration. We're going to be doing more on these before moving to the next step. If you find this video helpful, you can as well like, subscribe, share, and comment what you've learned in this video. And don't forget to turn on your notification button for more incoming interesting and exciting video. Thank you.